Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page. It's been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the voice of my heart. What are the lyrics? What are the contents? What is the beat? What is the rhythm? It's time to do your own thing. You came in this world by yourself. You're going to leave by yourself. Leave your own tune. Leave your own footprints, your own mark of originality. A lot of people might feel it's weird, it's different, it's never been done. That's because you've never been here before. You haven't been on this level, at the level you are, ever before. It's time to bring that difference. Don't leave being like everyone else. I silenced the fear in me and I discovered the voice of my heart. I'm not scared to be myself. The fruit of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to my path of light. Trust your intuition. Trust your intelligence, because you're an all-knowing, powerful being. We may forget things once we get to this plane, but as we grow older, as long as we also evolve, we remember the all-powerful, all the knowledge that we need in this life we possess already. So, what does the voice of your heart tell you to do? Act on that today. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. Love you too.